To use some new heat shrink material with our new Lighthouse CJ-Pro printing system, put your ribbon in first. So we'll press the green button to lift the cartridge up, place the ribbon into the cartridge as such, and wind the ribbon on a little bit. Take the material and place in the back of the printer and push the guides in that hold the material in place using this green button. Feed the vinyl underneath the cartridge, feed through the printer as such. There's two green feed guides that are pushed apart using a little black button, so you can press that button in. There's a sensor here, and this sensor needs to be moved to where that actual sensor hole is, and then we can feed some vinyl through, push the cartridge down and click into place. To create a heat shrink label for our new Lighthouse CJ-Pro printing system, open your Lighthouse for CJ-Pro software and then go to File, New. Make sure that it says Lighthouse CJ 400 DPI in this printer section and click Properties. Click Page Setup, and in width and height, just change this to the size of the label that you have purchased from us. In this instance, I'm just going to change it to 50mm by 9mm. In the media type, make sure that's set to labels with black marks, and in the rotation section, make sure that is set to portrait. You can now click OK and click Finish, and there is the size of your label. You can now design your label as normal within our software and position as so. You are now ready to print this label, so make sure that you've put the correct vinyl in for this type of label, which was in another video that we've done. But you need to calibrate the vinyl in the machine to make sure that it prints in the correct position. So to do that, click Print, click the Printer tab, and then go to the Properties. And then in the Properties section, click on the Maintenance tab and click Calibrate. The machine will print 3 or 4 labels through and calibrate, and then you can print your label as normal. After you've calibrated, click OK, and then from the General tab, choose how many labels you wish to print, and then click Print. And these will print off on your printer.